Okay, here's Snow. And Snow's little girl. Yeah. She's 1 day old today. And the other one is over here. Yeah. And this is a little girl too. And then we have Lucy from last year. She is super small. Aren't you? Yes. You're like 6 months old and you're just tiny. And she just hangs out and watches over everybody. And we have the rabbit's pen in here. Rascal's the Flemish giant. And he's got his girls, which he chases around in circles. Are they all good, Lucy? All right. And we have the pen of pigeons and peacocks. There's Prince Azure. His tail nicely in. And pigeons. And the bantams. And the Muscovy girls doing their job. Sitting on eggs. Good girls. And there's the peahen. And then, of course, we have the guineas and the chickens. Hi, girls. Yeah. Oh, no, you stay in there. Oh, there's the big boy. And the pecans. Guineas. Oh, you stay in. And then we have Patches and her little ones again. Hi, Patches. So her little ones are 4 days old. How are the little ones doing? They're all huddled in the corner. And Mama. How you doing, Mama? This is Lucy's Mama. And here are the sheep. I have no food for you right now. It's Thyme. Rosemary. Where's Carl? Oh, Carl's over by the outbuilding here. Hey, Carl. He's our boy. And the guineas are coming out. So we're just working on our outside enclosures for this spring. This was done up last fall. And then our two long-haired girls. Still a little shy, eh, girls? Still a little shy. And the pond, the spring melt. The pond is completely full.